Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans. And today we're going to address one of our most popular frequently asked questions. There's a lot of stuff to unpack in the next 3 minutes, so let's get after it. All right. So, this is one that we get quite a little bit. And man, if there is ever a question that is more specific, it's specific to each individual situation. But it's VA home loan refinancing. Is it a good option for me? And that's a really, really good question. But I want everyone to understand that everyone has a different situation. I mean, everyone's situation is specifically theirs, and it's different. So, if you've got a couple of years ago when the rates were a lot lower than what they are right now, a lot of people were coming and they were taking their higher interest rates and they were reducing it down with the VA Earl. And the VA has a number of different financing options. One, they have the cash out option. The other is the VA interest rate reduction loan, which is or refinance loan, which is an awesome loan. And in fact, especially when we're in a market where the rates are high and they're coming down. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, right now we're kind of in that market. Well, you're right. And we're in a market where the rates are a little bit higher than what we're typically used to over the last few years. And we're all kind of assuming that they will come down. I mean, I'm backing it on experience that I've seen them kind of do this over the years, and that's kind of how it works. So we expect those to come down. So probably in the next 18 to 24 months, you're going to see a lot of people that are going to do the VA interest rate reduction loan because they can take their higher interest rate and drop it down. And it's a lot less costly and a lot less invasive as far as that goes. You don't have a lot of income documents and stuff that you have to provide. The other one is the VA cash out, and this is where you've got to take every situation individually and look at because sometimes it's not about the interest rate. Sometimes it's not about, well, I'm at 3.5 right now, I don't want to go to 7. Well, you need to look at everything specifically, and that is it's hard to do sometimes because you got to be objective with it. But that's also where a VA specialist will come in and be able to help you understand the numbers and kind of print it out and put it all in black and white for you. But like I said, it is individual and it's specific to that person or that family and or that whoever it may be, but it's specific to that, and we need to kind of look at it that way as well, to where if you have a lot of debt, is this something I need to think about by using the equity in my home? Because I do have extra equity in my home. Do I need to use that equity to pay off some of this debt? And then I can offset some of those payments, save myself money on the monthly basis, and then maybe even apply a little extra additional principal towards your mortgage to pay it off a little quicker. There's a lot of different ways to do it. Best thing to do would be give one of our VA specialists a call at 855-956-4040. They'll be happy to help you and answer any questions, kind of even run through your debt scenario to see what works for you and what they can make happen for you. But again, I would suggest give them a call, 855-956-4040, or check out our website at nationalvaloans.com. There's a lot of really good information on there. You'll be able to figure out if it's a program that maybe you want to know more about. Again, 855-956-4040. Thank you again for your service and all you do. And until next time, God bless.